Welcome to our program, Empowering Every Learner. Today, we are excited to share how the Philippines is making education accessible and exclusive for everyone.
With Republic Act No. 7277, also known as the Magna Carta for Disabled Persons, the Philippines ensured equal opportunities for all, including those with disabilities. This law promotes rehabilitation and self-development, guaranteeing that everyone gets education they deserve.
Republic Act 10533, the Enhanced Basic Education of 2013, known as EDUCAT, extend the basic education cycle and addresses the diverse needs of learners. Inclusive education is, at its core, ensuring that every child, regardless of ability, has the tools to succeed.
The Department of Education supports these laws with specific orders and guidelines, providing schools with the resources and training needed for effective inclusive education. Early intervention programs and specialized supports ensure that no child is left behind.
Together, we're building a brighter future where every learner has the opportunity to thrive. We're committed to providing innovative tools and resources that empower students to reach their full potential. Join us in making education more accessible and inclusive for all.
Through dedicated efforts and inclusive policies, the Philippines is ensuring that every child, regardless of ability, has the chance to learn, grow, and succeed. Remember, inclusive education is not just a policy, it's a promise.